In this video, we'll show you how to replace LTI links in D2L, Brightspace. To begin, navigate to Alter. If you created the parent course outline and are adding coursework to the course overall, you should grab the LTI link from your course. Click into your Coursework tab, click Manage, then click the three dots next to the assignment that you need to replace. Click Copy LTI link. You'll paste this link into your learning management system using the following directions. If you did not create the parent course outline and you're adding coursework to a specific section, you should grab the LTI link from this section. That will be the second item on your page. Follow the same instructions beginning with Manage. Navigate to your D2L course admin page by clicking Course Tools and Course Admin. Click on External Learning Tools. Scroll down the list to find the link you want to change and click next to the assignment on the arrow. Click Edit Link. Paste the new link that you got from Alter into the URL bar. Scroll down and choose Save and Close.